Well, the curtain comes down at Audi Fields. DC United looks to have been ousted from playoff contention. They have fallen short on decision day.
I think the expectation when you play for DC, it's we want to play the playoff. There is a way for us to get to those playoffs. There's 34 games to make sure that we get our spot. So why not us? We really have to believe that we can go through everything this season.
Welcome to Washington, D.C. Bit of a chilly night here in the nation's capital as we get set to kick off this 30th season of Major League Soccer. It's D.C. United and Toronto FC from Audi Field.
Last season we spoke about learning about our own mistakes. Today now we have to show that we learn about our mistakes. It's easy to speak about how now next season we're gonna do better. It's the time now. We have to compete. Every game we play at home we have to compete. We have to compete for ourselves, for our family, for our friends. Let's go, guys. Come on, boys! Let's go! Let's go! 1, 2, 3! Come on!
And with that, we are set to go. Season number 30 of Major League Soccer is underway. It's DC United and Toronto FC. Ina picks it off and striding forward. Ina! Sending Audi Field into raptures. First goal of 2025. Sliding this in behind, trying to break this back line. Kim went for it. It's an open goal, and Osorio scores. The answer Toronto was looking for. 1-1 in DC. Wolves. Bartlett, the center back, 2-0 tonight for DC. Trying to take the top off here. Moreau running in behind. Moreau ready to cross. Scores, silencing Audi Field, 2-2.
This is one that you feel like you have to say it probably needed to be 3 points from us tonight. And I try to always be very transparent when I'm in here, when I'm with the players. And I don't have to say that to them. They know. They know that tonight we left some points out there. And we have to address that. And if we don't, then we're not going to be in the position that we want to as the season progresses.
Welcome to Chicago, Illinois. It is a brisk early March evening here in the second city. Two clubs that have a lot of history and tradition, but have struggled here over the last 5 years, trying to get back to it here today.
Make sure today we go back to DC with 3 points. Solid performance of all of us. Let's go. We stick together no matter what. Let's go. Come on, boys. DC on 3. 1, 2, 3. DC. Let's go.
Driving it forward. But he finds Pirani. Pirani trying to link up with Benteke. Benteke puts it past the keeper and in. And just like that, DC United, with their golden boot winner, have gone in front. Here's E now. He's looking for Stroud. Stroud brings it down. He's looking for Benteke. Off the bar. And turned behind by Gutman. And a relieved Chicago Fire threatening to level this match. Here comes corner number 2. And the in-swinger to the back post is on at home. And we are back on terms right on the stroke of a half an hour. Third time is the charm for that man. Ugo Kuipers makes it 1-1. Gets it to Benteke. Here's Benteke. What a save by Brady. minutes in, here comes the corner. This one flicked toward the back post. And this one is knocked home. Almost a carbon copy by Kuipers. He's got a brace, and the Fire have gone in front. Herrera, right-hand side, into the penalty area. He finds Benteke, appeals for handball, and the referee is giving a yellow card here. And is he pointing to the spot? He's already got a goal today. He's looking to equalize things as we've just hit 90 minutes. There's the whistle. Here's Benteke, and he skies it. To try to salvage a point here, DC United. Back out wide it goes, into the mixer maybe one more time. Bicycle kick attack, oh, unbelievable! An absolutely impeccable finish for DC United. Merle has leveled things at the death.
I mean, look, we're in Chicago. I think it's a game that we can win with the way that we played. I guess we took a few shortcuts on defensive set pieces. That's how they scored their 2 goals. And the rest of the game, we're really in control. And, I think that we create enough chances to maybe win the game. We have 2 draws on the season so far. And I think that this game is a game that we 100% can win. And I think with the support of the fans, they'll push us forward to get a result.
Fans are ready for home match number 2 here in 2025 for DC United as they host Sporting Kansas City on a chilly, breezy night from Audi Field in Washington, D.C.
It's not 1 point tonight. It's 3 tonight. It's 3 tonight. It's not a question. It's a responsibility. It's a duty tonight. 3 points. Come on, let's go.
We've been playing well. Now we need to win. There's no excuse. These games, those type of games, we have to win, and it starts tonight. Let's go, boys. Easy on 3. 1, 2, 3. Easy. Let's go.
Davis coming over. Schneck continues on. Able to look infield. Here comes the cross. Polskamp saves. A chance to cross. Looking for Benteke. Just wide. That brings the first half to a close.
Guys, we don't care about being nice on the goal. We just want to win. And we can all feel it. We can all feel it. We have to believe. We have to win this one. We have to win. It's a big one for us. Come on, DC on 3. 1, 2, 3. DC. Let's go.
Suleimanov, first venture forward in this second half as it's cut back. Tommy! It's 1-0 in DC.
For the goalkeeper to be able to get there and make a crucial save to protect this lead.
What's infield penalty? Benteke against Polskamp. Benteke scores! DC's level! The chance to cross, it's lifted in. Kajuba!
I take that goal behind my team, and I couldn't do it without you guys, so thank you.